Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Excel can render barcodes. Install a barcode font like Code 39 or a Code 128, add in and restart Excel so fonts load. Once done, enable the Developer tab if you plan to use VBA-based encoders. Make sure your data column is stored as text to keep leading zeros intact. Then create a helper column where you wrap values with the required start/stop characters for your barcode type. This is your first actionable step toward generating scannable symbols. Next, convert text into visual barcodes. If you use Code 39, simply wrap each value with asterisks in a helper column and set that column's font to the Code 39 font. Excel will draw bars. If you need Code 128, run a VBA encoder macro or install an add-in to compute required checksums and return the encoded string, then apply the Code 128 font. Also adjust font size, column width, and row height so bars have correct thickness. Make sure to check Print Preview for real-world sizing and legibility. Finish by printing a small sample and scanning it to confirm the codes read reliably. This proves your settings. Once validated, use label templates or export to PDF with fonts embedded to preserve fidelity when printing elsewhere. If something fails, check the checksum algorithm, ensure a proper quiet zone around each barcode, and confirm the barcode font is embedded or installed on the printing device. If bars appear too thick or thin, adjust font size and column width rather than scaling the image to keep scanners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.